almost forgot. My first 2022 upload. Welcome back to my video. It's Filmin with Maria, and you are going to join me to a glow up because it's 2022. I'm just kidding. We're not going to do a glow up. You are going to join me do a cosplay because I am joining a math contest. We are going to transform into a specific mathematician for a day. Day 1. Because I'm a Swiftie, I decided to pay homage to her beautiful natural curls that I don't have. So I really wanted to achieve the look, so I searched all over the web for the perfect tutorial. And guess what? I didn't find it. Just kidding, of course I did. So I found this video that it could help me curl my hair for overnight. And tomorrow, it will reveal those beautiful natural kinky curls. No, it's not a one-person job. I needed some help. Thank God my aunt, Theresa, was very supportive, and she helped me curl my hair. So this is how it looks, and we're just gonna sleep on it. The shoot would be tomorrow, so good luck. Day 2. Hey guys, so it's the next day, and now as you can see, there are still the straws in my hair. I haven't gotten them out because I'm gonna be putting them on a little bit later because I'm still thinking of what makeup I should do to replicate Elena's look, and still getting ready and fixing the set for the pictures. I almost forgot. The mathematician I chose was Elena Piscopia. Yeah, you have or haven't heard of her, but she is a very smart mathematician, and one of the qualities that made me choose her as a cosplay is because of her beautiful natural curls. And the costume I'm going to be wearing that would look similar to Elena's is a violet dress, because I don't have a black dress similar to hers, and I'm just going to be using like a white cardigan because I can't really point out what she's wearing, that white thing she's wearing here. So that's what I'm going to do. And kudos to Tita Theresa for doing this hairstyle. This hair look. It took like 1.5 hours. We started at 8:30 and then finished at 10. So that's a lot. So now that hair is checked of our list, the next thing we are going to do is makeup. I'm not a professional myself, but I do a pretty decent job when it comes to doing my own makeup. As you can see in the photo of Elena Piscopia, she's kind of wearing minimal makeup, and it's not that obvious. That's what I'm gonna do. And yep. So this is me taking off these straws in my hair. So by the way, we use straws and rubber bands to do this curl. And as you can see, look, it's a very bouncy kind of curl. You can also see Luna and Ramona, my little dogs. And here's my Tita Theresa. She's helping me take off these straws in my hair because there's loads in the back of my head and I can't even see it. And yeah, it's pretty hard to sleep on, but like very pretty when you wake up and take it off. Day 3. So here is where it kind of got a little hard to replicate because I was having a hard time fixing the background because of the hair, which I loved and now I hate it. The hair was getting in the way and it's really messy. But yeah, after all those things, yeah, I figured it out and still learning in the editing process. So I'm not the best, but I am doing my best. Finally, day 4. I have done it. So here's the big reveal of the picture. It's not the best, but I did my best, so that's good for me. Anyway, at least I had so much fun in recreating the hair and the outfit and editing the background. It's like I had a whole blow up situation going on being Elena Piscopia and a cosplay character. It's kind of like a glow up. Wish me luck. I hope that can happen. See ya.